What's up, everyone? I am Jamie with 3littlegoats.com. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you've been around for a while, welcome back. Glad to see you. As always, all the morning chores are done, but we still have a lot of stuff to do today. We've got some more goats scheduled to kid at the end of this month, so I've got to get their CD&T and all that stuff today and shave their back ends. And then some of the girls have some clumpy poops, so we are going to go ahead and check all of them out to see if they need to be wormed and trim hooves and all that fun stuff. But before I do any of that, I've got to pull the pack and plays out of the living room because Sadie and Ella's kids are officially out in the barn now because it's nice and warm. It was actually, I think, 75 yesterday, which is nice. So they're out in the barn, so I gotta get the pack and plays out and cleaned up and get ready for the next batch of kids. Now, it is sad because Ella was sold this week and 2 of her bucklings were sold this week. But I still have all of Sadie's kids and Ella's doeling. Her doeling is got a deposit on her. She'll hopefully be going to her new home this weekend. I haven't put any of Sadie's kids up for sale yet, because I really want to keep them. I really want to keep them. So I'm waiting. I might keep them. Depends on what the next batch of kids brings. But I know for sure I'm going to keep one doeling out of Sadie's, just because Sadie's just an awesome goat. But without further ado, we really need to get this day started, so let's go.
But things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Hi, ladies. Alright, so today we are going to be vaccinating. Where are they at? Okay, we got Surrey. Excuse me, Swayze, you're not up next. We've got Surrey, Pixie, and Posey that are due at the end of March. But first, we got to figure out how we're going to get them in and figure out what I'm going to do with the little nuggies that are in the barn right now. Got a lot of logistics to work out, so let's try to figure this all out. I'm not saying it's my lucky day, but I'm definitely saying it's my lucky day because what are the odds that Surrey, one of my hardest goats to catch, just jumps up on the milking stand and I don't have to chase her down. I was fully prepared to chase her down. Alrighty. I wish she would have waited till I moved the milking stand so I could actually get her shaved. So I'll take what I can get. Good girl. Oh, yes, a good girl. Just like all of our pregnant does, this is just selenium and vitamin E gel. Should we get a smidge of? Alright, it's okay. Did you just fling that?
places in the world I've been to. This is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to
Alright,
you.
so everybody that needed hooves trimmed and shots and all of the fun stuff got done. My clippers ended up breaking, so I have to get a new set, and then we will shave all of the girls. It's no big deal. They still have a few more weeks, so I'm not really too concerned about it. But now we've got something very important to do. We gotta go feed the babies. So I've got their bottles ready. Right now they are getting 4 bottles a day and roughly 4 ounces per feeding. So let's see if we can get through the goatlet and get these babies fed.
Man, I always had stories about the city life and the crazy nights. Figure I should probably give it a try. Maybe check it out.
Alright, so we're kind of behind because we got a little bit of snow the other day. But I was able to get to the feed store. We have a new pair of clippers. So hopefully we can get all the girls that need shaved today. So let's attempt this for a second time. Hopefully this is more of the Goldilocks clipper. The last ones were too strong and then the other ones were too weak. So hopefully this one works out just right. First things first, we gotta get these guys put away so they're not jumping all over the place. Hi, buddy. Hi. It's not feeding time yet.
Helen, you can keep your 9 to 5. Happy with the simple life. Yeah, I ain't here to try to change your mind. Trying to save your time in case you're thinking about breaking out the bucket list. Girl, you can skip this funny business, 'cause up there it's complicated and overrated. Down here everything is understated. That's alright by me. I got everything that I need, but there is breakneck, paycheck, rat race. What's next? I'm tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond. I think I'll go back where I came from, where everybody knows my name. All my friends are still the same. I guess the slow life hit me just right, like a bonfire on a cool night. Yeah, you can keep your 9 to 5, 'cause I'm happy with the simple life. Tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond. I think I'll go back where I came from, where everybody knew my name, and all my friends are still the same. I guess the slow life hit me just right, like a bonfire on a cold night. Hell, you can keep your 9 to 5, 'cause I'm happy with the simple life. Oh Lord, you can keep your 9 to 5.
Alright, y'all, so that is pretty much it for this video. The only thing we have left to do is clean out the kidding stalls and put fresh bedding down, and I'm going to move the little babies that we still have to the back side of Gen Pop, so they're with the regular goats but still separated. So that is on the agenda for this week, but we have to go and get hay and straw for all of that, so that'll probably be in the next video. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. It really helps. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. We put out new videos every single week. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.